Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up the form IMM 5744 consent for an access to information and personal information request. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that you want to ask, you are always free to ask. Let's proceed with this, guys. All right. So this form, when it is used, like when you request GCMS notes or and you file for like information about your file, and you authorize somebody else to receive the file. Let me tell you a very common scenario, like let's say you are trying to get GCMS notes while your spouse sponsorship application is in process and your spouse is living out of Canada, for example, let's say in India. So because you are inside Canada, you are acting as a representative who can receive the notes on her behalf. So she needs to sign this and she needs to authorize IRCC to release that information to you. So in similar cases, this form is used. So I have opened it right from the IRCC site. So whenever you fill up any form, always make sure you fill the latest form. What happens, like if you submit in an application in a similar case where you need to fill up this form and you don't, what's going to happen is IRCC is going to come back to you with this form and they're going to tell you to fill up. It happened in my case, that's why I'm sharing my experience with you guys. So let me see. So suppose I'm citing a typical case, like you are an individual and you are sponsoring your spouse. Let's say 7, 8, 9 months, whatever have passed, and you want to see that really exactly what's going on in your application. So for that case, you want to request a GCMS notes. You are in Canada and your wife is in India. All right. So she is going to appoint you to act as a representative so that her information can be released to you. All right, so let's see how to fill this up. Representative, you are the representative who is gonna receive it. So it's gonna family name, your last name, first name, organization, telephone number, other telephone number if you have, email address, country, postal code, city, province, territory, address. So you can fill it up. Now this is gonna be the principal applicant's information. So in this case, your wife. Put the information. It's important to sign and see this instruction in blue ink. Do not miss this instruction. Now consider another case that you are sponsoring your wife and your child. Your child is also in India, so is related here, and that information needs to be put in here, and relation to applicant needs to be filled up here as well. Okay, and this form is valid for 1 year from the date appearing on the applicant signature. Now scrolling down this page, they have given some instructions that it's very important. Submitting a properly completed consent form with your request helps to prevent delays, of course. Two-step process. Provide information about the requester. Provide details about whose information is being requested. Up to 4 people can be included in a single form. Consent valid for 1 year. The same consent form can be submitted with new ATIP request. Yes, because the validity is 1 year. So if you submit a new request, that can be. Requirements. Consent for children under 16. Both parents have to approve the release of their children's info. If the children under 16, they are not required to sign the form. Ensure this form is signed by both parents or submit separate forms for each parent listing the minor's information on each form. Yes, both. So that means authorization from both parents are required. Signature plus date. To safeguard against fraudulent forms, only original signatures signed in blue will be accepted. No electronic signatures. Make sure the applicant includes the date of the signature. Scanning if you submit online. A color scan is in good resolution, or taking a close, well lit snapshot of form with your smartphone camera will help ensure your form is accepted. Okay, that's really good. So that's how simple it is and that's how it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. If you have any concern, any question, anything, please go ahead and ask. And also let me know what exactly you would like to see in my future videos. Thank you.